Hey friends! In today's video, I'm going to show you a super easy way to add beautiful borders in Notion using just one tool, the callout block. So here's the setup I'll be walking you through. I've got a simple quick menu, a to-do list, a habit tracker, and even an About Me section, all neatly wrapped in these soft gray borders. They're clean, minimal, and help make your dashboard feel more polished. Let's start with the basics. First type /callout and hit enter. That gives you this default box with an icon. Now we want to change the styling a bit. Click on the 6-dot menu on the left, go to color and choose default for the background. That gives us this white box with a light gray outline, which works great as a subtle border. You can also change the icon to suit the section. For example, I'm using this link icon for my quick menu, then type your section title, like quick menu, and make it bold to help it stand out. To separate the title from your content, I like to add a divider. Just type 3 dashes and hit enter. Below that, you can start adding whatever you like. For quick menu, I'm adding linked pages using the @ symbol, like at my hub or at my workspace. Once you've made one callout block, you don't have to start from scratch. Just duplicate it, change the icon and title, and update the content inside. For the to-do list, I will use a green checkmark for the icon and remove the old links. Now, I'll type the square brackets like this and hit the spacebar to turn it into a checklist. You can also add multiple callouts side by side by clicking and dragging one beside the other until you see the blue vertical line. Then let go of your mouse to drop it in place. That's how I made this 4-column layout with a quick menu, to-do list, habit tracker, and About Me block. And that's it! Super simple. This is hands down my favorite way to add borders and structure inside a Notion dashboard. No widgets or coding needed. Lastly, here's a little bonus. I've built a sticky notes system inside Notion, complete with auto-archiving of the past month's records. Old notes get archived automatically, so your workspace stays clean and lightweight. If you'd like to try it, this system is available as a free download. Link is in the description below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Notion tips just like this. I'll see you in the next video.